Okay, year 7, so to start with our very basic portrait, what we need is an upside down egg shape. So it's an oval with a bit of a point at the bottom. And you can do that nice and lightly if you wish. I'm obviously doing it a little bit darker so you can see. And we're going to divide that in half. A big line down the middle. And then we're going to divide it in half again. And we can use our pencil to measure it to make sure we've got it right. Then we're going to split this section into half and then half again. So here we're trying to map out the 5 eyes that go across our page, making sure that we use our measurements to figure that out. You can guess it as well, just by figuring out if it's cut into 5 different segments. And then we're going to draw the eyes, and these need to be kind of like almond shapes. So they aren't circles, they aren't squashed footballs, they are almond shapes. Then we're going to see where the sides of our nose is, and that's going to be just in line with the corner of our eye. You just need to make those slight marks there. We're not drawing an actual nose, just the idea of a nose. Then we're drawing our pupil, and that is a circle. Okay. And then our eyelid, which is just another line at the top of our eyes. Make an impression of where the nose is. This is going to be our iris. And then from the middle of that, it's going to be the outer edges of our mouth. And this obviously is the bottom of our lip. And then we're just drawing in our lip. Okay. You can experiment with this a little. You can make it really thick lip, really thin lip. It's up to you. And then the impression of our bottom lip. And then a little bit of a mark for where the chin is. Now I'm just going to put in our eyebrows. So they're a little bit further up our face. And I'm drawing these little light lines to figure out where the eyebrow goes. You can make your eyebrows really skinny, you can make them bushy, you can experiment with that. That's up to you. But just giving that idea of where the eyebrows are. Now we need to figure out where the ears are. So we're drawing a line from the bottom of our nose. And we're using the line for where our eyes are to help us figure out where our ears go. Now we're going to figure out where our hairline is. And it's meant to be halfway between the eye line and the top of the head. So Miss Wells didn't measure hers very well. So that's the bottom mark is the middle. And then you can just kind of make out a general outline of where the hairline would be. You can make the hairline oval, you could make it like mine, you can make it square, it's up to you. And from here, we're just going to give our egg shape a bit more of facial features. So figuring out where the temple is, so just above the ear, cheek, and then that jawline to our chin. And then I'm figuring out what kind of hair I want. So I'm going to just give this portrait a very simple, short, blunt haircut. So I'm just making a part in the middle of the head, that line that I've created for the hairline. You could do any kind of hairdo you want. It's Experimentation is encouraged. You could give it a ponytail, you could make it really short, you could give it curly hair, you could give it pigtails, it's up to you. Now we need to put in the neck. So our neck kind of starts where our jawline into our chin starts to begin. So kind of where the outline of our mouth is, or the edges of our mouth. And then we've got our shoulder. Okay, not very skinny, not near the chin. If you want to extend yourself, you can add some tonal qualities if you would like to, but if not, this is all you need to do for this activity. If you do the tonal qualities, pick where your shadows are going to go, so where the light is coming from, and then you can work in there.